In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the shareable link feature from Google Drive to effortlessly play your video in VLC Media Player. Whether you're just getting started with video sharing or you're looking for a smooth playback experience, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Drive. Once you're in, navigate to the location of your video file within your drive. You might have several files stored here, but finding your video should be straightforward. Simply look for the file name or use the search bar at the top if you have an extensive collection. After you found your video, take a moment to right-click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Get Link. This step is crucial because it allows you to obtain a shareable link for your video file. Now, the next step is to ensure your link is accessible. In the link settings, make certain it's set to anyone with the link. This adjustment makes your video publicly accessible, meaning anyone with the link can view it. It's important to double check this setting to avoid any access issues later. Once that's confirmed, go ahead and copy the link. You can usually do this by simply highlighting the text and pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard, or right-clicking and selecting copy from the options provided. With your link copied, we're moving on to the next part, which involves VLC Media Player. If you haven't opened VLC yet, go ahead and launch it. Once it's open, direct your attention to the menu panel at the top. There, you'll find an option labeled Media. Click it, and a new drop-down menu will appear. From this list, hover over and select Open Network Stream. This feature allows VLC to play video content directly from the internet, which is exactly what we need. You'll now see a field asking for a network URL. This is where the magic happens. Paste the Google Drive link you copied earlier into this field. Congratulations, you're almost there. All that's left is to click on the play button. VLC will now process the stream and begin playing your video directly from Google Drive. It should be nearly instantaneous depending on your internet connection. And there you have it. You've successfully shared your video from Google Drive and watched it seamlessly